Holding this golf club. But this Saturday, June 3rd, I've been talking about it a lot on Instagram, but if you guys don't know, we're doing the cruise from San Diego all the way up to LA, where we will be revealing the new wrap for the STI. As you guys can see behind us, we got the merch booth, so I'm gonna have the merch booth there. Whole bunch of games, like got a little golf club right here, so you guys can like win free stuff at the booth. Basketball too, so we're gonna do a whole bunch of games, a whole bunch of fun stuff, so you guys can win things. We're gonna have food, DJ. So yeah, this is the last time I'm pretty much gonna be talking about it on YouTube. By the time I post this, it's gonna be tomorrow. So I think it's gonna be Friday right now when you guys are watching this. So Saturday is gonna be the cruise. So I hope you guys can all come out. This year I'm trying to make it big. You know, as you guys seen, it's been kind of like an annual thing, like the whole birthday cruise thing.
Pretty sure if they make all 3 holes.
All 3 of them? So I'm probably gonna do this, like everybody who wants to like get something from the merch booth. Get one in, you guys get something free, I don't know, a shirt, hoodie, something. I think for the basketball, I'm gonna do like a little contest to see who makes the most in like a span of a minute. And then at the end of the day, whoever that is, I'll probably like give away like, I don't know, like a $100 gift card or something. Whole bunch of fun stuff at the booth.
What do you mean?
Can't wait, I'm super excited. Damn, why you hit it so hard? But yeah guys, come through. Come check out the booth and the STI with the new wrap and everything. We'll have the picture right here on the screen of all the details of the cruise, all the times, all the addresses. And yeah, once again, I hope to see you guys all there. Guys, I'm so freaking excited. We finally got a set of QuickJacks for the garage. This is literally gonna make working on the FRS, the BRGS, and the STI so much easier. And I think it's time to put the jack and jack stands to rest a little bit. Guys, I'm so freaking excited. Let's go ahead and unbox my new QuickJacks. Alright, so this right here is the QuickJack 5000 TL. I'll go ahead and put the links down in the description below. They have a whole bunch of different like QuickJack setups that you can use for your own use. You know, specifically for whatever use that you have. You know, if you have a truck or a small car or a bigger car, whatever the case may be, they have a whole bunch of different packages. But I feel like the 5000 TL would work best for the cars that I have. Alright, so I've watched a few videos on installing or putting together the QuickJacks. I guess we're just gonna go right at it. Seems pretty straightforward. They do have a instruction manual, which I'll put down below as well. After watching a few videos, I think we can put it together. So let's go ahead and unbox these and let's see what they're about. So after unboxing everything, as you can see, we have everything laid out. Obviously we have the 2 rails right here. We have the power unit. So I actually thought we needed a compressor with this whole setup, but actually it comes with a power unit itself, so no compressor needed. For some reason I thought I was gonna have to use this big old air tank compressor thing that I have at home, but good thing is it comes with a little power unit. Got the controller with it as well. We got all the hoses right here. We have 2 short ones and then 2 long ones right here. Whole bunch of fittings, male and female, for the ends of the hoses, and 3 quarts of automatic transmission fluid. So this actually comes separate. I had to buy it at AutoZone. Kit actually requires you to put I think 2.5 quarts of automatic transmission fluid into the power unit right there. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and attach all the fittings to the hoses and then start working on the QuickJacks. So on each of the QuickJacks, we're gonna remove the shipping plug and install the new 90-degree fitting on each of the QuickJacks. Next up is the 2 short hoses. We're gonna grab one end and thread it into the 90-degree fitting we just installed. On the other end, use Teflon tape to avoid leaks and install the supplied male connector to the other end of the hose. Next up, we're gonna pressurize each of the QuickJacks up to 50 PSI. Here I just use a tire pump. Any pump works, but just get each of the QuickJacks to 50 PSI and nothing above. After that, we grab the 2 long hoses in the kit. On each end of the hose, we're gonna use Teflon tape and install the supplied female fittings on each end. Once that is done, we can connect it to each of the QuickJacks to the short hose. Once that is done, we can move on to the power unit. As you can see here, there are 2 red shipping plugs. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. Install the 2 supplied male fittings to the power unit. And now we can attach the 2 long hoses to the power unit. Alright guys, so setup is almost complete with the QuickJacks. As you can see, we have all of the hoses routed with all the fittings on it. As the instructions say, we have to raise the QuickJacks on one end so we can bleed the air out of the system, which we're about to do right now. So we're gonna put some automatic transmission fluid all the way to the top in the reservoir. Then once we do that, we're gonna turn the system on. We're gonna do a sequence as it is in the instructions. We have to lift the jacks a little bit, release some of the air, lift it up once again, open the bleeder again, lower it all the way, and just kind of repeat until no more air is in the system. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now real quick. And guys, I'm freaking excited. It is almost ready to use. Dude, this is a game changer. I cannot wait to use it. All right, so first things first. Oop, that's too big. Let's go ahead and fill this up with fluid. Probably a little bit less than 3 quarts. In the instruction manual, it says fill it up approximately 12 millimeters below the fill hole. So we'll go ahead and do that. 1 quart down, 2 quarts. Use almost 2.5 quarts. When you put the cap on, you want to always loosen the bleeder valve, which is right here. It says if you don't, it'll damage the system, so just loosen it a little bit. Setup is fairly simple. Take about 3 minutes or so. But yeah, just the rails, attach both of the long hoses, and then plug them into the power unit, into the wall, and that's pretty much it for the setup. Right now I'm actually gonna pull the BRZ into the garage. I actually have to do an oil change. It's a long overdue oil change. It's a perfect time to use a new QuickJack, so let's pull the car in and let's put these things to use. QuickJacks are in place. Let's go and press the up button. Guys, I cannot stress how freaking cool these are. Literally, how sick is that? Literally what took 5 seconds is what would take like 5 or so minutes with the jack and jack stands. I want to show you guys the locking mechanism. So these are the locking bars right here. And as you can see, there is one locking position right here and then another one back here. I haven't raised the car high enough to reach the first one, but I'm about to do that right now. So I'll go ahead and lift it up. So that is the first one. So if I want to keep it at this position right here, this height, I would lift this thing up. Since it's a little bit past the locking position, we'll bring it down. And now it's locked in place. As you can see, the locking bar is leaning up against the little locking point, so that would be good to go to get under the car. This is pretty much the highest setting that we can lock the QuickJacks at. Now this is really, really high. One thing to note is when the car's lifting, it actually lifts kind of backwards. Just the way the jacks work, when it lifts up, it just moves the car back. So that's kind of a thing to keep in mind if you have like a garage or if your garage is closed, so you don't end up hitting your bumper on the garage. That would be really bad. But yeah, this is super freaking high, dude. Like, obviously plenty of clearance to get under. I guess like a downside of jack and jackstands is you don't really have much clearance when you're using a creeper, but as you can see, we have plenty of clearance. Guys, look, there's plenty of clearance. I'm not freaking banging my head anywhere. Perfect height with the creeper. You know, you can do your exhaust work and stuff. I love this so much. Just like that, guys, stows away nicely. I just got it leaned up against the wall, put a little dumbbell so it doesn't slide anywhere, but everything can stow away nice and easy. As you can see, this is pretty much the whole system right here. But yeah, dude, the QuickJacks for the garage, honestly, a huge thumbs up. I love it so much. So convenient, so handy, and it's literally the best investment I think I've ever done for the garage. All right, guys, fresh oil change on the BRZ. Much needed, long overdue oil change. Right now on the way to the post office. We got a couple orders that you guys placed today. You guys have honestly been killing it on the support with this latest drop, with the low cars, high risk drop. The support has been unreal with this drop. So honestly, thank you so much to all you who placed an order. Just want to let you guys know, as always, that I'm so appreciative of all your support. I kind of briefly talked about it in the last video, but I'm always trying to up the quality. So if you guys have purchased anything from this drop or the previous drops, you know, message me, leave a comment down below. What do you guys think of the quality? How does it fit? What do you guys not like about it? What do you guys like about it? I cannot talk right now, I'm so hungry. Any constructive criticism is greatly appreciated. I'm always trying to put it back into the business and just trying to make, you know, your guys' experience better. We got William from Northridge, California. Who else do we got? Nathaniel from Florida. Jackson from Illinois. It's so freaking crazy how like these little packages go from my living room and the BRZ all the way to like everywhere in the world. That just like blows my mind. I think that's just so cool. But yeah, I just want to show you guys a little bit of appreciation. I'm always thankful for you guys literally every single day I think about it. You guys' orders are now on the way. I've been thinking about doing a day in the life sometime soon. I haven't done one of those in a very long time. But I know it's something you guys always kind of ask for down in the comments. So sometime soon we're actually gonna do a day in the life. But right now we are actually heading to meet up with Jeremy. I showed him a few times on the channel. He actually picked up a new project car, so it's actually really exciting. He picked up an LS. Oh my dude, his door was so close. Dude, that gives me so much anxiety when people open their door next to my car. But yeah, I've never really talked about LS's on the channel really, and it's a car that I really like. So he actually picked it up not too long ago. Guess I'll show you guys. It's pretty sick. It has some TEs on it. Just gonna link up with him real quick and probably get some rollers. You can't go wrong with some rollers in the video. I see it already. Gosh, that thing is so freaking clean. And it's slammed. Damn, it's loud. I didn't know it was loud. What the heck? Oh yeah, baby. With the Mag Blue TEs. Gosh. I freaking love that thing, dude. It's loud too. Gosh, bro. It's the big body for me, dude. That thing looks so nice slammed. Bro, the LS is a freaking vibe, dude. You like it?
I like it.
That car is such a vibe, bro. I kind of want one now. Dude.
Hello, is this thing on? Hello guys! I'm from the Philippines.
Joseph, I made sinigang.
So like I said, June 3rd, don't forget to pull up for Christopher's birthday.
Lumpia. What else?
Pancit? You like pancit?
If you see me there, I'm going to have a shirt that says I have lumpia with the arrow pointing down. And go to Chris Borkis, and you see his on his pinned account, his birthday cruise 6/3/23. It's going to start at 9:30 at Westview, San Diego. We're going to
Jollibee.
go exactly. Go to Jollibee, and you'll see me there. After that, we're going to get in our mopeds and our jeepneys. See me there. I'll be working the booth. I'm gonna have DJ, my brother here, Christopher. You know, my kaibigan. That's what we say in the back home. You know. But make sure you turn post notifications off and have a good day. Turn off.
Just finishing up editing the video for you guys. It is, let's see, time check, 2:32 a.m. And guess who has work at 6 in the morning? Honestly, I've been so busy this past few days getting ready for the cruise. So right now, when you guys are watching this, it is Friday, 2:32 a.m. Friday. So tomorrow is gonna be the cruise. I still have to get so much stuff ready, so I'm staying up today and editing this video for you guys because I want to get this video out for you before we leave. Bro, Jeremy's hilarious. I was just watching the clips over him talking right now. Dude's freaking hilarious. Guys, if you don't know, I'm actually half Filipino. I've kind of mentioned this a few times in the videos before, but yes, I am half Filipino. I know I don't look Filipino at all. Probably catch you guys off by surprise because I do not look like it whatsoever, but I'm gonna finish up this video. It is getting super late and I'm going to have a cupcake because why not? My camera's literally about to die, like literally 30 seconds. Hope I see you all at the cruise. Dude, my camera's literally about to die. With that being said, hope you have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.